Hey y'all, welcome back to the Math Bench. This week we finished Module 2 with our end of module assessment, and then we launch into Module 3, place value, counting, and comparison of numbers up to 1,200. Students will start exploring numbers all the way up to 1,200, build on everything we've learned about tens and ones, so let's go ahead and look at the plan for this upcoming week. On Monday, we will do Lesson 9, Word Problems with Length. That day, we will solve word problems where measurement become part of addition and subtraction equations. In the sprint, students review making tens and related facts to warm up their fluency. In the problem set, they'll measure two objects, record their length in centimeters, then either add to find the total or subtract to find the difference. This lesson shows how measurement links directly to real-world math stories and how it's applicable to real-life scenarios. On Tuesday, we'll be doing Lesson 10, which marks the end of Module 2. The lesson is called More Word Problems with Length. We will continue our word problems, but the challenge is going to increase. Students will use both rulers and meter sticks to measure, and then write an equation that matches the story. The sprint focuses on quick subtraction facts to get ready for comparing problems. In the problem set, they'll see questions like, the ribbon is 32 centimeters and the string is 45 centimeters. How much longer is the string? This gets them ready to explain both the measurement and the operation that they'll be using. On Wednesday, students will complete their Module 2 assessment. They'll measure objects, record results with the correct unit, and solve addition and subtraction word problems with length. This will show what they know about using rulers, estimating with benchmarks, and connecting measurement to equations. I also highly recommend that students show their work when it comes to their exam. This will ensure that they receive the full amount of credit that they can get on their assessment. On Thursday, we will begin Module 3 with Lesson 1, Bundle and Count 100 as 100 ones and 100. Students will use place value blocks to see that 100 ones can be grouped into a single 100. The sprint reviews adding tens and ones quickly, and the problem set has students practice showing numbers as both many ones and as hundreds. This lesson helps students see how counting by ones, tens, and hundreds are connected. On Friday, we'll continue with Module 3 on Lesson 2, Count up and down between 100 and 220 using ones and tens. Students will warm up with fluency activities like subtracting multiples of 10 on a meter strip, measuring and comparing, skip counting by fives on the clock, and even counting with ones, tens, and hundreds up to 1,200. The problem set has them work through number patterns, sequences, and a short story problem, strengthening their ability to move flexibly throughout the numbers. And so that's the week. On Wednesday, we will officially finish Module 2 with our assessment, and then Thursday and Friday, we'll go ahead and kick off Module 3 by bundling, counting, and writing numbers up to 1,200. By the end of the week, students will start to see how hundreds, tens, and ones fit together to build bigger numbers. Thanks for watching this week's Math Bench preview. Let's make it a great start to Module 3. Have a great rest of your weekend.